Stop saying these 7 English phrases. They make you sound weak, but don't worry. Today I will show you how to flip them in confident sentences. Make people respect your English. Alright? YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy FCJ. Today I have 7 negative sentences. The negative sentences in English you must stop saying this. And instead you saying this, I got 7 positive sentences you can say to yourself every day, and it boosts your confidence, boosts your powerful, boosts your brain, boosts everything, because it's positive and it projects positive vibes. Alright, so the first sentences you must stop saying is, sorry, my pronunciation is not good. Sorry, my pronunciation is not good. Stop saying this. Stop saying this. Instead, you saying this, say, I really like American accent. One day, I will also sound like a native. Woo! You see? Immediately, I smiling give me confidence because it's positive sentences. Alright? So the next sentences you must stop saying is, I'm sorry, my English is not good. My English is not good. My English is bad. Stop saying this. Say, I love speaking English. It's my third, fourth, first languages. Alright? I love speak English. It's my third languages. Simple. Alright? So the next sentence is English is too hard. How English is too hard. I learned English like a 10-year, 20-year is hard. Stop saying this. Instead you say English is hard. Say, I love learning a new thing in English. I love learning a new thing in English. Alright? Okay. So the next point is, I will never speak English like a native. I will never speak English like a native. Stop saying this, my friend. Stop saying this. Is negative sentences. Alright? Instead you saying this, say, my goal is to speak English like a native. My goal is to speak English like a native. Instead you say these sentences, you say to yourself, and your brain say, oh, you have a goal, you have a purpose, so let's go to speak English like a native. It's positive. Alright? Okay. Next point is native speakers speak too fast. That's my excuse. Actually, sometimes is my excuse actually. Native English speakers too fast. They speak too fast. Nah, stop saying this. Stop saying this. Instead, you can say, I would love to mimic their pace and rhythm. So don't say they speak too fast. Just say, I would love to mimic their pace and rhythm. Alright? So the next point is, I can understand you, but I can speak English well. I can understand you, but I can speak English well. Sometimes the people saying, instead saying that, say, I love how clearly you speak. One day I will speak as clear as you. You know, it's simple. If you see someone speak English clearly, your goal is one day speak clearly like as you, as him. Alright, that's your goal. Alright? So the next and the last, I think, is, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. Instead say, I don't know what else to say. Say, let me think about for a moment. Let me think about for a moment. If you say, answering a native English speaker like this, he has say, oh, this person he is intelligent. I think he need to think, he need to time, and he need a moment to think and to give me the answer, the best answering. Alright? So every time you replace a negative sentences with a positive one, you sound stronger and more confident. Alright? So tell me in the comment which of these 7 phrases you must use the most and which one you will change starting today. Remember, every step counts. Stay strong. Bye bye.